So Maqsam is a cloud communication suite, which means that we provide services over the internet through your browser and our apps that actually give you full access to a call center as a service platform or business telephony. We give you local numbers in over 200 cities around the world instantly, and you have full call recording, everything you'd expect from an enterprise level system, democratized for the everyday company and at a very low cost, no upfront setup fees that are complicated, simple software that everybody can understand that allows you to get your team anywhere around the world, taking local calls and making local calls for your business and reaching out to customers. I can't say this and stress it anymore. Leap was one of the most amazing experiences for us as a company. Not just the energy, the exposure, the amount of people who are interested, especially in the Saudi market, and Saudi Arabia is on the rise. We're true believers now that this is the place where there's going to be a vacuum effect from the region into Riyadh, and we believe that everybody's going to be there and it's going to grow as one of the main tech markets throughout the region. For us as a company, obviously growing and very ambitious right now, Leap gave us the exposure to many partners, customers, and even investors today that are talking to us very seriously about growing the business. We do have a number of announcements that are going to come out of Leap very soon with a number of investors that we're very happy with. But also beyond that, we have had extremely fruitful meetings, especially at the investor lounge, just hanging out at Leap at all the sections. You get a different feel for all the different people that are there. And we were able to really close a number of deals, but also build more fruitful partnerships for the future. Whether it was ministers that were very accessible and very friendly and understood our business, or even just everyday people who were interested in technology. It was just an amazing mix of people and the energy was just so amazing. So first of all, we were very appreciative that we were able to get to the top of the list out of over 500 companies who were competing for the rocket fuel competition, and being recognized on such a great stage, a global stage actually, from Riyadh was an amazing experience. The $250,000 that were awarded to us are going to go as rocket fuel for our business. So it's very suitably named, but we want to be able to add more fuel to the fire and grow more, not just in Riyadh and Saudi Arabia, but throughout the world and even more into Asia. So at Leap 2023, what I would advise companies to do is make sure that you only have, of course, 3 minutes to pitch. Make sure it's concise, to the point, and you really hit on the right points that really cater to the jury and also the audience, knowing what value you bring without any of the fluff. Cut it right to the point and be able to present your best self, come with a lot of energy, and be able to engage the crowd.